Hello friends, welcome to Global Travel Venture. Ever wondered what's behind those exclusive airport lounge doors? It's a question that has crossed the minds of many a traveler. As they hustle through the bustling airport, weighed down by luggage and weary from the journey, they catch a glimpse of an oasis, a sanctuary marked by frosted glass doors with the words "Airport Lounge" etched elegantly on the surface. The doors slide open and close, offering fleeting glimpses of a world that seems so much calmer, so much more enticing than the chaos outside. The mystery and exclusivity surrounding these airport lounges are part of their charm. They stand as enigmatic havens, their allure heightened by the fact that not everyone can waltz right in. It's a world that holds a magnetic pull for the curious traveler. Many of us have paused in our tracks, our eyes drawn to these exclusive portals, our minds filled with questions. What lies behind those doors? What makes these lounges so special, so sought after? Is it the promise of plush, comfortable seating away from the airport hustle? The allure of gourmet meals and top-shelf beverages? Or perhaps the lure of a tranquil space to rest or work, equipped with high-speed internet and other amenities? The curiosity is understandable. After all, for the uninitiated, the world of airport lounges can seem like a secret society. A club where members enjoy privileges unknown to the rest of the traveling public. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? To be part of an exclusive group, to enjoy perks and luxuries that elevate the travel experience to a whole new level. So, what really is behind those exclusive airport lounge doors? What does the world of airport lounges hold for those lucky enough to gain access? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a journey through the hush-hush world of airport lounges. A world where travel meets luxury and comfort, where every journey begins and ends on a high note, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Welcome to the behind-the-scenes tour of the exclusive, the elusive, the utterly enticing world of airport lounges. Imagine being invited into a world of luxury, right in the middle of a bustling airport. Picture this. You're in a sprawling airport, surrounded by a symphony of sounds. The cacophony of announcements, the hurried footsteps of travelers, the hum of rolling suitcases, and the occasional cry of a tired child. You're amidst a sea of people, all rushing to their respective gates, their faces buried in their devices or travel documents. The air is thick with anticipation, impatience, and a tinge of travel stress. Now, imagine a door opening before you. As you step through, the noise fades away, replaced by a soothing melody softly playing in the background. The air is cooler, cleaner, and the atmosphere shifts from chaotic to calm in an instant. This is your first encounter with an airport lounge, a sanctuary tucked away in the heart of the airport. The hubbub of the airport seems like a distant memory as you're enveloped by the warmth of the lounge. The space is elegant and inviting, with plush seats that beckon you to sink into them. The lighting is soft, casting a warm glow that sets a comforting and relaxing mood. The scent of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, mingling with the subtle aroma of gourmet cuisine. You notice the lounge staff, their smiles genuine and welcoming, their uniforms immaculate. They move with a quiet efficiency, attending to each guest with a personalized touch. Their hospitality is like a balm to the weary traveler, providing a sense of home in an otherwise foreign environment. As you settle into a comfortable chair, a glass of sparkling champagne is offered, its bubbles dancing in the soft light. You take a sip, the taste of luxury defining the start of your journey in the lounge. You realize then that this is not just a place to wait for your flight. It's a destination in itself, an experience designed to transform your travel into something more than just a journey from point A to point B. It's like stepping into an oasis of tranquility amidst the chaos. This is the invitation to luxury that airport lounges offer, a promise of comfort, convenience, and class, all within the confines of an airport. And this, dear traveler, is just the beginning. Welcome to your home away from home. This is the sentiment echoed by many upon stepping into the comfort zone that is the airport lounge. Picture this: plush, comfortable seating that invites you to sink in and forget about the hustle and bustle of the airport. These lounges offer an oasis of tranquility amidst the often chaotic airport environment. Imagine lounging on a soft leather armchair with just the right amount of cushioning to make you feel as if you're floating on a cloud. Some lounges even offer recliners or daybeds, perfect for a quick nap or even a good night's sleep. It's the kind of comfort that makes you forget that you're even in an airport. But it's not just about relaxation, it's also about productivity. For those seeking a quiet workspace, Airport lounges provide the perfect setting. They come equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, charging stations, and even private cubicles for those important video calls. It's like having your very own office in the sky, where you can work undisturbed and stay connected to the world. And let's not forget about the private sleeping areas. These are not your typical airport benches, oh no. These are real beds, complete with fluffy pillows and warm blankets. Some lounges even offer shower facilities so you can freshen up before your flight. It's the kind of luxury that makes long layovers not just bearable but enjoyable. Imagine being able to catch up on sleep, finish up work, or simply unwind with a good book, all while waiting for your flight. It's a far cry from the crowded, noisy airport terminals we're all too familiar with. This is the beauty of the airport lounge, a sanctuary that offers a respite from the stress of travel. So next time you're at the airport, consider stepping into an airport lounge. It's more than just a place to wait for your flight. It's a comfort zone, a place where you can relax, work, sleep, and recharge. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge before your flight. But it's not just about the comfy chairs and quiet spaces. In the world of airport lounges, an equally alluring facet is the promise of a culinary journey. A gastronomic adventure awaits beyond the plush interiors, where the aroma of gourmet food wafts through the air, whetting your appetite and setting the tone for a delightful pre-flight experience. Imagine this. While the rest of the world rushes by outside, you're tucked away in a tranquil corner, savoring a plate of tender, slow-cooked beef brisket paired with a glass of full-bodied Cabernet. Or perhaps you're treating your palate to a selection of the finest artisanal cheeses, each bite a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. The food here isn't your standard airport fare. These aren't hastily made sandwiches or lukewarm cups of coffee. Instead, they're culinary masterpieces, lovingly crafted by skilled chefs who know the art of cuisine as well as they know their own names. From fresh sushi rolls prepared with precision to comforting bowls of pasta cooked to perfection, every dish is a testament to the chef's dedication to their craft. And let's not forget the beverages. The lounges boast an impressive selection of fine wines, craft beers, and even top-shelf spirits. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or a whiskey aficionado, there's something to suit your taste. Maybe you'd like a crisp Chardonnay to accompany your seafood platter, or a smooth single malt to round off your meal. The choice is yours. But it's not just the variety that makes the culinary experience in an airport lounge exceptional. It's the opportunity to slow down, to savor each bite, each sip, while you wait for your journey to begin. It's the chance to transform what is ordinarily a period of waiting into a memorable dining experience. So, the next time you find yourself in an airport lounge, be sure to take advantage of this gourmet paradise. Let your taste buds travel the world even before your flight takes off. Because in an airport lounge, your culinary journey begins even before you board the plane. There's more to an airport lounge than meets the eye. Yes, the plush seating, gourmet food, and tranquil environment are enticing, but the real magic lies in the extra perks that elevate your travel experience from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine this. After a long, tiring flight, you step into a luxurious shower facility within the lounge. The warm water cascades down, washing away the fatigue, while the plush towels and high-end toiletries add a touch of opulence to your routine. It's a rejuvenating experience that prepares you for the journey ahead or a restful night's sleep. And speaking of rest, some airport lounges even offer private suites. These are not just ordinary rooms but mini sanctuaries designed with your comfort in mind. They come equipped with a comfortable bed, a private bathroom, and all the amenities you might need. It's like having a 5-star hotel room within the airport, providing an unmatched level of convenience and comfort. But let's not forget about the wellness aspect. Many lounges offer spa services where trained professionals are ready to pamper you. From a soothing massage to a relaxing facial, these services are designed to help you unwind and de-stress. It's the perfect way to spend your layover and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and revitalized. Now you might be thinking, all these facilities are great, but what about the service? Well, rest assured that the staff at these lounges are trained to provide attentive and personalized service. Whether you need help with your luggage, require assistance with your travel arrangements, or simply want a recommendation for a good book to read, they're there to cater to your every need. In an airport lounge, you're not just a passenger, you're a VIP. You're given the royal treatment, with access to facilities and services that make your travel experience truly memorable. So, the next time you're at an airport, why not give these lounges a try? You might just find that they transform your perception of travel altogether. So, how does one get a golden ticket to this exclusive world, you may wonder? Well, gaining access to the world of airport lounges is not as complicated as it may seem. There are a variety of ways to get your foot in the door, and we're here to guide you through them. One of the most popular ways is through travel loyalty programs. Many airlines offer these programs to reward frequent flyers. When you fly often with a particular airline, you accumulate points or miles. Once you've reached a certain threshold, you're granted access to their lounges. Each airline has its own rules, so it's always wise to check the specifics. Credit card benefits are another excellent way to gain access. Some premium credit cards offer lounge access as one of their perks. These cards might have a higher annual fee, but if you travel frequently, the benefits can far outweigh the costs. Plus, you get to enjoy the luxury of airport lounges around the globe, not just those tied to a specific airline. Now, if you're not a frequent flyer or you don't wish to commit to a premium credit card, don't worry. There's still a way for you to experience the luxury of an airport lounge. Many lounges offer day passes that can be purchased. This is an excellent option if you have a long layover and want to relax in comfort. The prices for day passes vary, but they typically range from $50 to $100. Lastly, some lounges are accessible through membership in third-party programs like Priority Pass. These programs offer access to a network of lounges worldwide for an annual fee. It's like having a universal key to airport lounges, regardless of the airline you're flying with. With these options, gaining access to the world of airport lounges is within reach. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a credit card enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys the finer things in life, there's a way for you to experience the luxury of an airport lounge. With the right planning, you too can enjoy the luxury of an airport lounge. The airport lounge experience is about more than just luxury and comfort. It's a sanctuary, a haven away from the hustle and bustle of the airport terminal. It's a world of its own, a place where you can sit back, relax, and prepare for the journey ahead. But the allure of the airport lounge goes beyond the plush seating, the complimentary refreshments, and the tranquil ambiance. In the heart of this oasis, there's a sense of camaraderie, a shared understanding among travelers. Whether you're a business executive rushing to a meeting, a family embarking on a vacation, or a solo adventurer ready to explore a new destination, the airport lounge is a common ground. It's a place where stories are exchanged, advice is shared, and friendships are formed. Each person in that lounge shares a common trait, the love for travel. And it's this shared passion that creates a sense of community, a global brotherhood and sisterhood of nomads, explorers, and wanderers. It's a club where membership isn't about the miles flown or the status earned, but about the experiences gained and the memories made. Imagine this. You're sitting in a comfortable chair, savoring a cup of coffee as you strike up a conversation with the person next to you. They've just returned from an adventure you've always dreamed of. They share their experiences, their insights, their tips. You find yourself learning about a new culture, a new place, a new perspective, and in return, you share your own stories, your own adventures. You're not just waiting for a flight, you're part of a global exchange of ideas, cultures, and experiences. The airport lounge isn't just a place to rest and recharge, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. It's a microcosm of the world outside, a snapshot of the global community we are all part of. In an airport lounge, you're part of a global community of travelers. In the world of travel, airport lounges are a game changer. We've ventured behind those exclusive doors together, revealing a realm of luxury that many travelers overlook. We've discovered that these lounges aren't just about comfort, they're about experience. From the culinary journeys that awaken our taste buds to the extra perks that make travel smoother, airport lounges truly elevate the journey. But remember, access isn't as elusive as it seems. Be it through airline loyalty programs, credit cards, or lounge membership services, the comforts of the lounge are within your reach. It's about knowing your options and choosing what fits your travel style. So as we wrap up this exploration of airport lounges, let's not forget what they offer. A respite from the hustle and bustle of airports, a place to recharge, to indulge, and to connect with fellow travelers. Next time you're at the airport, don't just pass by those lounge doors. Step inside and discover a world of luxury, comfort, and community. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, safe travels.